Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Student, today lesson 4, that is soil. Student, today's our topics are soil contains air and uses of soil. Student, before starting today's topic, once again I would like to repeat some previous topics in order to make your concept more clear. Now student, first, what is soil? Already I have told, but again I am telling you what is soil. Soil is the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. सॉइल सबसे टॉप लेयर अर्थ की होती है जिसमें प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल. नाउ यू नो इट बेटा. Formation of soil contains continuous process. It takes thousands of years for rocks to become soil. Now, third, types of soil. There are 3 types of soil: clay soil, loamy soil, and third, sandy soil. Okay, now clear? Now student, what soils contains? Now, soil contains tiny stones, fine sand, clay, muddy water, humus and water. Now students, we come to our first topic of today, that is soil contains air. Now take some soil in a jar and pour water on it. Take some soil in a jar and pour water on it. Now when water is poured over the soil, air bubbles come out. When you can see in this diagram, when water is poured over the soil, air bubbles come out. Now, this shows that soil contains air. Okay, ये डायग्राम से हो रहा है कि soil में air होती है. Air trapped between the particles of soil comes out when water is poured. Now student, second topic, uses of soil. Now soil is a very useful, natural, non-living thing. Okay, now how are soil? Soil is natural, non-living and useful thing. Now student, natural means things that comes from nature, that means God made. Okay, now what the means of non-living? Non-living means who do not live, who have no character of humans. Okay, now clear? Some of the uses of soil are given below. Now first is, it provides water and nutrients to the plants to grow. Student, look at this diagram. Plants need soil to grow. Plants remains fixed to the soil with the help of their roots. You can see here, roots of the plants go deep into the soil to get water and nutrients. Plant soil में किसके थ्रू फिक्स है? रूट के, और रूट ही soil से वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेती हैं जो कि ऊपर प्लांट्स को प्रोवाइड करती हैं. Now student, second, it is home to many animals like earthworms, ants, termites, snakes, rats, moles, and rabbits. Student, you can see in this diagram rabbits, snakes and ants live by making their own house in the soil. बेटा देख रहे ना, रैबिट, स्नेक और आंट क्या कर रहे हैं, मिट्टी में अपना घर बना के रहते हैं. थर्ड, इट इज़ यूज टू मेक ब्रिक्स, पॉट्स, दियाज एंड कच्चा हाउसेस. Student, you can see in this diagram, soil is used to make pots. Soil पॉट्स बनाने में यूज़ हो रही है, उससे ब्रिक्स बनते हैं, पॉट्स बनते हैं, दियाज बनते हैं, कच्चा हाउस बनते हैं. ओके, नाउ क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, होमवर्क, रीड lesson 4, that is soil. Okay, now have a nice day. Thank you.